Hello guys, in this video is going to be a special video. In this video I'm going to be some changes to the night ride LED or making it better. Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach you for loop. Okay, it's a more advanced way of coding. So let's get on with it, shall we? First things first, the build. So nothing changes, okay? It's the same build. The only thing that's going to change in this video is the code, okay? It's a little more complex way of the code. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. And let's get on with it. Now I'm gonna connect it to my laptop. First things first, what I'm going to do is now copy this setup that I wrote, and then now we can start from here. First things first, when you want to write a for loop, what you want to do is first of all write for, and then you need to add brackets, and then first things first, we need to add, there are three things. First, where it's going to start, where it's going to end, and how much it adds. So let's say digital number 2, and then 1 plus 2 equals 3, and it changes to digital number 3. Okay, so it kind of goes like that. So first things first, we need a variable, so int, and then I'm going to put I as my variable, and then equal it to 1, so 2, because it starts from 2. Now then semicolon, then I'm going to put where it's going to end. Because I have 6 slides, what I'm going to do now is the 2, and then small, then 7, then I'm going to add a second semicolon, and then what you can do now is how much it adds to the next one. So digital write 2, that's 2, and we add 1, it goes to the digital write 3 for our second light. Now what we need to do is we need to put how much it adds over time. Okay, so what we need to do is we put the letter I that we just put for a variable, then we will put to equal I, and then we put plus 1, and then after that we think we put a semicolon, but no, this is a loop. Think of a little loop. Okay, so what we need to do now, after we put I equal I plus 1, then because this is a for loop, this is considered as a loop, so what we need to do is put curly brackets. Okay, so after you wrote this code, you need to put a curly bracket, and then within those curly brackets I'm gonna write digital write. This is what's going to be adding or changing to the next light. Let's say our first digital light, then after this code runs, it changes to the next one. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to explain it clearly. After you write this, you put curly bracket, normal brackets, and then you put PI, and then comma, then you put height to turn on that specific or the first specific light, and then you put semicolon. Then after that we're gonna put delay. After the delay you put the brackets again. Because I made a variable to the time, I'm going to put time, and we can change every delay with this single variable. So I'm going to put time, then I'm going to put a semicolon to end it so it doesn't get confused about the next line. Then I'm going to put digital write, to turn off the light this time. So I put I, comma, low. Okay, then I put a semicolon. Now our first for loop is done. Now it should go from left to right. Okay, this should go from left to right, and that's half of the code completed. Now I'm going to put some space, and then what I'm going to do now is copy this code and paste it again, but this time this is going to be going right to left. So how do we do that? I'm going to change the I to Q, and then I'm going to put the number, because this is 2, this starts from the first line, or this is equal to the first LED. Now because this is assigned to your first LED, this doesn't work. So I'm going to do is make it to the final LED, that is the 6 LED. After you put 6, then what you need to do now is put 6 to the this, and put bigger than 7, and then you need to put is, you need to make this Q minus Q equal Q minus 1. When you do that, this will go from right to left. It's easy as that. Rather than writing this whole entire digital write essay, we wrote a simple 3 main codes of simple LED night rider code. So that's it. So let's now show you how it's going to look like. As you can see, it's just as the same, nothing is different. But if you come around, you can see everything is way smaller. It's not like a digital write essay of things. It's simple. 2 main codes of for loops. With void loop and void setup and pin modes, and with variable to change the time. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed and watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button to get notified on my upcoming and great and exciting videos. And bye.